5. They can't sweat. Have you ever wondered why deer are always out in the sun? It's because they can't sweat. Unlike humans, deer don't have any sweat glands. So when it's hot outside, they have to find other ways to cool off. One way is by hanging out in the shade. Another is by taking a dip in a nearby pond or stream. But this isn't exactly easy for them to do since they're not great swimmers. That's why you'll often see deer standing in shallow water, just up to their bellies. They also pant like dogs to try and cool down, and if all else fails, they'll roll around in the dirt to get some relief from the heat. 4. They can jump 30 feet. White-tailed deer are the most widespread and adaptable deer species in North America. They're known for their large, erect ears, a white tail with a black tip and reddish-brown fur in the summer that turns to grayish-brown in the winter. In addition to being highly adaptable, white-tailed deer are also incredibly agile. They can jump 30 feet in a single leap, which is more than twice the length of their body. This allows them to clear fences, walls, and even small buildings with ease. Their powerful legs enable them to reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, making them one of the fastest land mammals in the world. If a predator is in pursuit, the deer will use its keen sense of hearing to detect the danger and then rely on its speed and agility to evade capture. 3. They have rectangular pupils. Most animals have round pupils, but not deer. Deer have rectangular pupils. This is actually an adaptation that helps them to see predators coming from a long way off. You see, when a predator approaches, their eyes reflect the light from the sun, and because deer's pupils are rectangular, they're able to see this reflected light as a long, thin line. This makes it much easier for them to spot predators during the day. In addition, deer pupils dilate to reveal more of the yellow part of their eye. This gives them excellent night vision, but only for seeing in shades of yellow and gray. 2. They communicate through scent. Deer have a number of ways to communicate with each other. They use visual cues like tail flagging and ear position to convey information about their emotional state. For example, a deer that is feeling threatened will raise its tail high in the air with the white underside showing. This is a warning to other deer that there is danger nearby. Deer also communicate through touch, such as when they rub against each other to show affection, or when they lick each other's faces to groom them. However, the primary way that deer communicate is through scent. They have special glands in their saliva that produce a pheromone. Pheromones are chemicals that animals use to communicate with each other. The pheromones produced by deer are used to attract mates, mark territory, and alert others to the presence of predators. Deer are able to detect these pheromones through their vomeronasal organ, which is located in the roof of their mouth. 1. A baby deer can run within hours of being born. When a female deer is pregnant, she will give birth to 1 or 2 fawns after a gestation period of approximately 200 days. At birth, a fawn is about 30 inches tall and weighs between 6 and 10 pounds. Within hours of being born, a fawn can run and be just as agile as an adult deer. This is important for their survival, since it allows them to escape from predators. In addition, a fawn can swim within hours of being born. This is necessary since deer live in areas with lots of water, where they need to be able to cross streams and ponds to find food. A fawn can also jump approximately 10 inches high and 15 inches far. This is important for escaping predators and for navigating the terrain. Newborn fawns are able to stand up within 15 minutes of being born and are able to nurse within 30 minutes. Do you know any other fascinating facts about deer? Share them below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing animal videos.